we're down to the number one common mistake people make when trying to repair credit on their own.
Don't go have your credit pulled by everybody in town to try to get a different answer. So when it comes to lend, I see this a lot because we work with mortgage industry.
Yeah, people like to shop, man.
They assume they go to Ramsey and they get this answer, and they're going to go to this person, this one, and get a different answer. And we're all pulling from the same information. Not me, but a lender. So that's a big question clients always get is, well, can I go down the street to so-and-so and get a different answer? So they can't, obviously.
Yeah, I mean, I had one this week. I had a client who thought she was going to get a different answer from another lender, and the reality is that that's not going to happen. Like, they pulled the same thing I did.
Right, yeah.
So yes, absolutely correct. Allyson, thanks so much for being with us today. I so appreciate it. You have good insight, good tips, good advice. If you, our listeners, have any more questions or you need more tips or tricks, please don't hesitate to reach out, comment below, or you can go to ramseyloans.com. Until then, I'm Ramsey Holbrook, your mortgage specialist.